Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this magnetic, metallic 2020 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very well maintained with absolutely zero accidents. It comes in the LARIAT trim with a 502A equipment group with a 5.0 liter V8 engine. This F-150 has a power tailgate release with a full sprayed bed liner and a tonneau cover. You also have a lot of cool features about this F-150. It has heated seats, cooled seats with a full leather interior. It also has navigation, remote start, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel. You also have a huge display screen, also with B&O sound system, auto start stop, lane keeping system, pre-collision assist, and a rear view camera. You also have different types of drive modes that are on the shifter that you can change. You have normal, tow haul, snow and wet, eco, and even sport mode. Back seats even come heated too. And if you need even more space than you do, you can even fold up those back seats for even more storage. Thanks for coming down to watch my video. Come on down to Maclin Ford and come check out this truck. Thank you very much and have a good day.